Good morning, class 2. So, good morning, ma'am. How are you all? I hope you all are good. So, this is your maths period. As you all know, your sir is not well, so he is on the leave, and today's onwards, I am taking your maths class. My name is Miss Muskan Kashyap. So, first, take out your maths book. Mathematics in real life. Take it out. Very good. Open your book. Chapter number 1. Numbers up to 999. In this chapter, we are learning about numbers up to 999. Means number कहाँ तक? 999 तक. Let's do a quick revision. Activity 1, as you all done. First you write the number name, then write the numbers, then missing numbers. All you have done in your book. Then activity number 2, numbers beyond 99. Then activity number 3, writing hundreds, tens and ones. Now we are doing activity number 4. Activity number 4. In this, write the numbers shown on abacus. हम क्या करेंगे? Write the numbers shown in abacus. Abacus में जो नंबर है हमें वो numbers लिखने हैं. Now what is abacus? Abacus is a frame. Abacus क्या होता है? Abacus is a frame जिसमें pearls होते हैं. As you see there are pearls. जिसमें pearls होते हैं. So abacus हमें क्या बताता है? एडिशन करना, सब्ट्रैक्शन करना एंड नंबर्स को कैलकुलेट करना सिखाता है. सो द फर्स्ट वन हैज़ बीन डन फॉर यू. लेट्स सी द फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल. देयर आर 3 frames, 3 sticks. 1, 2, 3. First is ones, second is tens, and third is 100. Ones, tens, hundreds. 6, ones, tens, hundreds. Very good. Let's see on the one sticks how many pearls are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 pearls. How many pearls? 4 pearls. So we will write 4 in the place of ones. Ones की place पे क्या लिखेंगे? 4 लिखेंगे. We will write 4 in the place of ones. Now tens. Let's count how many pearls are there. 1, 2. There are 2 pearls. How many pearls are there? 2 pearls. So we will write 2 in the place of tens. हम tens की place पे क्या लिखेंगे? 2. 2 in the place of tens. Very good. Now 100. Now 100. How many pearls are there? There are 1 pearls. So we will write 1. Now everyone, take out your notebook. Take out your maths notebook. Take out your notebook, pencil, eraser, sketch color, and scale. And scale. Very good. First, you have to write down the date, 4th May 2021. Now, write down the classwork and put day. What is the day today? Tuesday. Now, write down the heading with the sketch pen. Activity 4. You have to use sketch pens to make your notebook look attractive. Very good. Now, write down the second question. Question number 2. Now draw the abacus here with the help of sketch color and scale. You have to use sketch color and scale for the abacus. Let's draw the abacus. First, make 3 sticks. 1, 2, 3, like this. Very good. Now write down. This is ones, this is tens, and this is 100. Okay. Now just draw the pearls as shown in the book. Ones place. There are how many pearls? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 pearls. Let's draw 3 pearls on the ones place. 1, 2, 3, like this. Now on tens place, let's count the pearls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many pearls? 6 pearls. How many pearls? 6 pearls. Let's draw 6 pearls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like this. And on 100 place, there is 1 pearl. Let's draw 1 pearl. Like this. Very nice. As our abacus is done now, let's solve it. Now, on ones place, there are how many pearls? 3. 1, 2, 3. Just write down 3. Now, on tens place, how many pearls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Write down 6 on tens place. Now, on the 100 place, there are how many pearls? 1. Write down 1 on 100 place. I'm using the black pen, so it is visible for you, but you have to use pencil. As you have done question number 2, let's do it in your book also. Ones place, there are 3 pearls. Tens place, there are 6 pearls. And on 100 place, there are 1 pearl. Now, write down the question number 3 in your notebook. Question number 3. Very good. Now again, draw the abacus. Now use different colors. Now we will use different color. So our notebook look more colorful and more attractive. Again, use the scale for the abacus. Draw straight line. Don't use pencil. Use sketch color in your notebook. I'm using yellow color now. Like this. Now, how many pearls are on the ones place? 1, 2. Let's draw 2 pearls. 1, 2. Now, how many pearls on tens place? 0. There are no pearls. So, we will draw no pearls. Okay. Now, on 100 place, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many pearls? 8 pearls. Let's draw 8 pearls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like this. 8 pearls. Now write down ones, tens, hundred. Okay, very good. Now let's solve it. How many pearls on the ones place? 1, 2. So write down 2 on ones place. Tens place there is no pearl, which means 0. Which means 0. जहाँ पे कोई pearl नहीं होता है उसको हम क्या consider करते हैं? As 0. Now on 100 place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many? 8. So now our answer is 802. 8 on 100 place, 0 on tens place and 2 on ones place. Now do this in your book with the help of pencil. 2, 0, 3. Very good. Now write down the question number 4 in your notebook. Write down question number 4. Draw the abacus again. Use different color and use scale. Very good. Now I'm using glue. Like this. Very good. Now write down ones, tens, hundred. Very good. Now let's see the question. On ones place there are how many pearls are there? 0. How many pearls are there? 0 means no pearl. Now on 100 place again there is no pearl. Now let's check the 100 place. How many pearls are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 pearls. Let's draw the 3 pearls in your notebook. 1, 2, 3. Now let's solve it. There are no pearls, so we will write 0 on ones place. As there is no pearls on tens place, so we will write 0 on 10 place also. And on 100 place there are how many pearls? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 pearls. Then we will write 3 here. Then now the answer is 300. 3 on 100 place, 0 on tens place and 0 on ones place. So let's write this answer in your book also. 0, 0, 3. Now question number 5. We are doing the rest questions in your book. Okay, so take out your book and pencil. Now question number 5. Let's see how many pearls are on the tens place. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Let's write down the 4 on ones place. Now on tens place. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many? 4. Let's write down the 4 on tens place. Now 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many? 5. Let's write down 5 on hundreds place. Now the answer is 544. How? As we see, there are 5 pearls on 100 place, 4 pearls on tens place and 4 pearls on ones place. Now question number 6. Let's count the pearls from the ones place. हम कहाँ से count करना start करते हैं हमेशा? From the ones place. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many? 9. Let's write down the 9 on the ones place. Very nice. Now tens place. Let's check the tens place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again 9. Now write down the 9 on the tens place again. And now 100. Now 100. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many? 6. Write down 6 on the 100 place. Very good. Now the answer is 699 because there are 6 on the 100 place, 9 on the tens place and 9 on the ones place. Now come to question number 7. Ones. How many pearls are there? 1. Then write down 1. And there are no pearls in tens place, so write down 0. Now check the 100 place. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many? 9. So write down 9. The answer is 901. How? Because there are 1 pearls in ones place, 0 pearls in tens place and 9 pearls in 100 place. So our answer is 901. Now question number 8. Do the question number 8. Come. Ones. Let's count the ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many pearls are there? There are 5 pearls. So write down the 5 on the ones place. Now tens. How many pearls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many pearls are there? 5. So write down 5 on the tens place. Now let's count the 100. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many? 4. Let's write down the 4 on the 100 place. Now the answer is 455. The answer is 455 as there are 4 pearls in 100 place, 5 pearls in tens place and 5 pearls in ones place. Now the question number 9, you have to do it by yourself in your book as well as in your notebook. Now, let's see what's your homework. Your homework is you have to do the question number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in your notebook as I show you. Okay, आपको notebook में करना है जैसे मैम ने करके दिखाया है like this, and you have to complete the question number 9 in your book and in your notebook also. So class, this is all done for today. In today's class, we will done the activity number 4 and you have to complete your homework by yourself. Make your notebook colorful and attractive. Okay, very good. So this is all done for today. Take care of yourself. Stay healthy and stay safe.